So, you're thinking about moving to Jamaica, right? But you have some doubts. You've visited the island and it's beautiful, so you want to move here, but you have some doubts. You migrated abroad and you're thinking of returning home, but you have some doubts. Well, here on this channel, right now, I'm doing a series on moving back, starting over in, or returning to Jamaica. And today's topic is why you should move back to Jamaica. I'm here to dispel all the doubts you may have and answer whatever questions you may have pertaining to me moving to Jamaica. If there's a particular question you'd like me to address, please leave that comment down below so that I may answer it for you. And while you're at it, I would love it if you'd hit that subscribe button and that notification bell. That way you support the channel by giving me your support as well as being notified each time I post a video. Well, let's dive into the meat of why you should move to Jamaica. But before I go, let me welcome our new visitors. If you're new here, welcome. And for those of you who are members, welcome to the channel. My name is Claudette and I am your Jamaican Gypsy Granny. So let's get into the meat of the matter. All right, now the number one reason why people move to Jamaica is because of the lifestyle that we have and the beauty of Jamaica. Now, don't get me wrong, I've seen other beautiful places, but Jamaica just have a little something to it that you will never find anywhere else. Jamaican people don't reel, Jamaican no normal, and you will find things you'll never expect. You know, our culture is one of warmth and yeah, we're a very welcoming sort of people. We have our own ways, but our lifestyle is very laid back, very laid back, and the beauty that the island offers is something along the combination of everything that you find in Jamaica. You will never find it anywhere else. And so this is one of the major reasons I would suggest you come here to live in Jamaica, because guess what? When you explore the forests, when you visit the beaches, I mean, there's just so much here. So the beauty of Jamaica is the first reason on the list of reasons you should move to Jamaica. The other thing that we have to offer is our vibrant culture and music. Now, you'll find everything here because, as we say in Jamaica, out of many one people. And here, you'll find Chinese people, you find Indian people. I mean, I talk about halfway China, I mean China, we speak Chinese and don't speak no English. There are also those who have moved here and decide they're not gonna know them, love it, they must stay. You have Indian, you have, you know, everybody from everywhere come here. So our motto, as it says, is out of many one people. So there are all sorts of intermingling cultures and stuff you can find. However, the thing we have to offer the most is our own unique culture. Our music has taken over the whole world. You will know that we have reggae, we have ska, we have dancehall, and we also have our own version of carnival. We have the colorful art and the delicious cuisine, which is known any part of the world you go, you'll find somebody will know a little bit about Jamaican food. So this is another thing for you to come. Our culture, our music, our art, our sports, you know, everything is all here. So that's another reason that you may want to think about moving to Jamaica. You know, another one of the major reasons many tourists, especially expats and returning residents, return to Jamaica is because the cost of living is very, very affordable, especially when you're coming from a country where the dollar, the disparity of the dollar is so huge. If you're coming from England, they are anywhere in Europe, the exchange rate, I think, is about 200 to 1. In the US, it's 150 something to 1. In Canada, it's 133 to 1. So when you find that exchange rate, the difference in the dollar, and especially if you keep your finances in the currency of the country you're from, when the exchange rate goes up, you make money. If it goes down, well, you don't really lose much, but you also earn on that. I know I did an interview with Mickey, and one of the advantages he likes is the fact that he can have his money sitting in the bank, and it's just making him so much more money on the dollar because of the exchange rate. So that is another reason why a lot of people reach here and say they want to stay here because of the dollar exchange rate. And this applies to returning residents. Now, for returning residents, you do have an advantage because there are certain incentives that you receive as a returning resident. For one, you can bring back household articles. I think you can bring back your car. You can bring back all sort of stuff duty free. And this applies not only to you, but to your spouse and your family members who are coming. They will also receive similar concessionary rates. And the benefit from facilitation programs that make reintegrating smooth and secure. These programs were designed to help all the residents of Jamaica who want to return home be able to return home securely without having to expend too much money, and so they can make a safe, comfortable return back to their home country. Alright, so let's move on to the other advantage, and this one is specifically for foreigners and investors. For foreigners that are looking to invest in Jamaica, there are opportunities that are provided for you. Permanent residency is available. You can come here for permanent residency. If you are looking to get married and you marry someone, you can also maintain your citizenship as well. Now, government agencies like JAMPRO also offer tax breaks and duty concessions for key sectors that you may want to look into investing in. These involve tourism, agribusiness, manufacturing, and this all makes it easier for you to launch a business or grow a professional base when you move here, with the idea of remaining here, investing, and making a life here. The economy is growing. Certain property investments are available, and these offer tax benefits as well when you invest in different properties here, like capital gain exemptions if you have them for over 5 years. For anyone looking to combine lifestyle with opportunity, Jamaica can be surprisingly advantageous. Whether you're coming here for the climate, the culture, the financial investment, the financial opportunity, the savings opportunity, whatever reason you're coming to Jamaica for, Jamaica has a lot more to offer than most people realize. And there are even returning residents who come back home and find that they did not understand what they had left behind. So if this kind of content suits you, I would love it if you would hit that subscribe button. Make sure to leave a comment. Tell me which one of these ideas would propel you to make that move to come to Jamaica. And if there's something you'd like me to talk about that may help you make your decision or to help ease your way to move in here, please leave that question down in the comments so that I may be of assistance to you. Once again, my name is Claudette and I am your Jamaican Gypsy Granny. And if you'd like to support my channel and the journey further than the support that you've already given, I do have a PayPal link in the description. Thanks for watching. Ciao.